Hey everybody, welcome to Titans of CNC Academy. My name is Billy Boyce, and today I'm going to take you through designing TITAN-85L in Fusion 360. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we want to do is come up to design, make sure we are in design, and then we're going to go ahead and create a sketch. So we're going to click that guy, and let's do all of this on the front plane. So we're going to select that, everything will rotate, press L on your keyboard for line, and then we're just going to snap right here with one click, and then we're just going to drag it over here, type in 1.505, press enter, and what we just created is going to be our center line. We're going to go ahead and draw half of the profile, and then we're going to revolve it around this center line. So what I'm going to quickly do is just press L on the keyboard, and I'm going to start right here. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of sketch out the shape. I'm not going to worry too much if my line goes crooked like these last two here. What I can do is come up here to our constraints, click horizontal vertical, and that'll go ahead and straighten those out. Everything else looks really good. If you're nervous or just don't trust it, go ahead and click it. If it cannot straighten it out, because it already is, you'll get a little warning down here. No big deal. Keep on going. So let's go ahead and add some dimensions. We're going to come up here to sketch dimension, or you can press D on your keyboard. I'm going to go from this center line to there, and we have a diameter of that 0.49. We want to go ahead and say divided by 2 because we're only drawing half of it, and then enter. Go from here to here. That's a diameter of 300.3 divided by 2. Go from here to here. It's a dimension of 0.55 divided by 2. Go from here to here. We have a dimension of 0.475. Enter. Now we'll go from here to here. 0.5. From here to here, 1.14, enter. From there to here. It's a distance of 1.205. Let's go ahead and sketch in our drill, or our hole that's going to be in here. So I'm going to press L for line, go over like that. We'll go ahead and go the maximum depth of 0.6. I'm going to press L for line, snap it here, click there. Go ahead and press D for dimension. We'll put the angle of 70 on this. Let's go up to circle, or just press C for circle. And just click, it's a 250.25, enter. And we can see that we have a dimension from here to here of 0.250. And then we can attach this circle to our line by doing a coincident. Another way we could have done it is not have that 250. We know that 1/2 inch and 250, that's half of it. So we can do a midpoint, go from there to that. There's a couple different ways to do it, and they all get the job done. So let's go ahead and go trim this out. So we'll go trim, click that, and click that piece out. Now let's go ahead and add some fillets. So we'll go up here to fillet. We're going to do one here, go 0.015. We'll do one there also, here, here, and here. Go ahead and press enter. Let's go ahead and revolve this now. So we'll go up to solid, revolve. I'm going to pick that right there, axis. I'm going to select our center line. It's going to be, type is going to be full, and we'll just say OK. Now we'll go ahead and go to modify chamfer. We got two big ones here, 0.035, enter. And if we want to go ahead and chamfer again, we can right click and repeat chamfer. And anytime you do something and you right click, you'll be able to repeat the last thing you did. So it'll constantly change. And those are just a 10 thou, 0.01. Enter. And there you go. That is the Titan 85L.